Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. What are Azure Fundamentals? Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, the AZ900 test, is a possibility to confirm a prospect's knowledge concerning security as well as personal privacy in Azure, cloud concepts, Azure solutions, Azure workloads, along with Azure support and prices. A candidate ought to know basic modern technology principles, including networking, storage, calculate application support, as well as application advancement. Candidates for the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900 exam ought to possess foundational knowledge of cloud services. The candidate must additionally recognize just how those solutions function well with Microsoft Azure. Azure Fundamentals Part 1. Describe core Azure concepts. Azure Fundamentals Part 2. Describe core Azure services. Azure Fundamentals Part 3. Describe core solutions and management tools on Azure. Azure Fundamentals Part 4. Describe general security and network security features. Azure Fundamentals Part 5. Describe identity, governance, privacy, and compliance features. Azure Fundamentals Part 6. Describe Azure cost management and service level agreements. Currently, the AZ900 is the only Azure-related essential degree qualification. About Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification. Azure Fundamentals test is a possibility to prove understanding of cloud ideas, Azure services, Azure workloads, protection, and privacy in Azure, along with Azure pricing as well as support. Candidates must be familiar with the general innovation ideas, including principles of networking, storage, compute, application support, and application growth. Learning objective. Understand cloud principles. Learn more about core Azure solutions. Master protection, personal privacy, compliance, as well as depend on. Understand Azure pricing and support. Significance of Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training in 2021. The Azure Fundamentals qualification has been created by Microsoft particularly for individuals starting to work with cloud-based remedies as well as solutions. However, without market experience, the Azure Principles certification isn't always sufficient to guarantee a job. Azure Fundamentals accreditations like the AZ900 are excellent for any type of prospect taking their very first steps into technology or thinking about a career modification and embracing a brand new specialism in certifications. There is no such requirement for taking one of the Azure certifications, and also a candidate requires a practical understanding of technology principles. To start with, Azure training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Azure Fundamentals training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/